New revelations about the death of singer Alizee have been made known as the Lagos State Commissioner of Police, Imoyimi Edgar, briefed journalists on preliminary investigations into the singer's alleged murder, which took place in a Lagos home 2 weeks ago. The CP told journalists that autopsy reports on the singer, allegedly killed by Danish husband Peter Nielsen, revealed that the singer died from trauma which emanated from the injuries inflicted on her head, while her daughter Petra was poisoned.
Forensic experts who isolated and visited the scene revealed that there were some blood stains from the couple's bedroom to the kitchen. Even though these blood stains were cleverly wiped out from the floor, they were, however, detected. Using special chemical reagents. In addition, blood stains were also discovered on the hand wash basins and of course on the hand towel of the suspect, which he used in wiping his hands after the incident. Although also this was cleverly cleaned up, but the experts were also able to discover the blood stains, which are all undergoing analysis as I speak to you.